Still pretty windy. It's the last opportunity to fly before the ex-hurricane arrives and destroys our weather system for a good couple of weeks. Lots of rain, lots more wind, and generally antisocial. So it's not. It's about. It's probably about 13, gusting 15. So it's not terrible, but it's in completely the wrong direction, of course. So launch and land are going to have to be sort of away from the ideal. But I thought I'd just get the Cliffzapper out, so at least it's got a gyro. So we're not too bad when we got a little bit further away from the trees here. So we probably will launch down that way though, just so we can get it up in some uplifting air. Oh, yeah, that's windy. And we got new neighbours, sheep, and an electric fence. So that's going to be interesting, obviously, for landings and the such like. Of course, the whole idea of a gyro is it gives you the ability to fly in less than perfect conditions. I ain't disqualified. So the wind is from behind me, which is across the strip, and it's significant. So I just thought we'd just come out and fly. I had a couple of batteries charged from previous visit, and also on the previous visit I flew this, and the camera ran out of its own battery after 45 seconds, which wasn't even enough time for me to launch it. And I had a really good fly that day because the wind was perfect, conditions were perfect. It's nice today, but I think there's probably limited potential to do anything clever, other than try and stay sort of down the strip. The wind is sort of yeah, over there. Oh yeah, up there. It's into wind there, which is sort of into our farm avoid area. So we'll probably stay away from that. And if we're going to do anything, we'll just play about up there a bit. Ooh. And that's with the gyro on. You can imagine what it would be like now. More than it come yesterday. There were a few people down here yesterday, so it was pretty windy in the afternoon. The wind is due to drop this afternoon before the bad weather gets here, but not yet. Not yet. It may, not yet. Woohoo! Like stationary. Position because I can't really go across that way. Whoa! Whoa! No, that way. Whoa! That's just gust. And hopefully it's just moved the wing. I might have broken the prop. Cool. I don't generally break these props. Rubbish. Ah, yeah, front prop. and move the wing. So that'll be all it's done. Okay. Let's just have a little bit of a sort out.